Hello everyone, this is Global Fashion Workshop. I remind you that we post new videos every day. I also want to remind you that some of my video courses are already available. Buy them if you haven't done it yet. I would really appreciate your support. Today I'd like to give you a review of this dark blue short coat and the suit. This is a skirt suit. So I'm basically going to show you several outfits in this video. First, have a look at the coat. This is a cashmere coat. First, I wanted to make a big collar. Make the coat looser to the bottom and gather it with a waistband. Then I realized that I wouldn't wear it often, and I needed a casual coat. This is why I have decided to make a small collar. Have a close look at it. I've already shown you how to transform your basic patterns for sewing outerwear. Watch the videos if you haven't done it yet. The coat was first made according to the pattern, and it appeared to be too loose. Although I just slightly extended my basic pattern, the coat was oversized. This is why I've decided to make the coat according to my basic pattern without extension. Please, when sewing garments, take into consideration the design. If you need an oversized coat with loose sleeves, if you're going to wear a thick sweater under it, such extended patterns are perfect. As for me, I wanted to make a close-fitting coat. There are chest darts here, and the horizontal welt pockets on the front. There are shoulder pads inserted in the sleeves. The sleeves are two-piece. The design is simple. I usually combine this coat with a yellow scarf. I love this outfit. It's very comfortable and stylish. Have a look at me. What do you think? I love dark blue color. It can substitute the black one. Next, I'm going to show you the skirt suit. I'd like to show it to you in detail. This is a medium-length skirt. There are 4 pleats on the front and 4 pleats on the back. The skirt looks pretty unusual. The jacket is simple and is decorated with the golden buttons. Have a look at the outfit once again. Dark blue coat, yellow scarf, light boots. The coat is pretty warm. It's very comfortable. There is also a pocket here. This is a cashmere coat. It's very soft and light. It's a perfect casual garment. Next, I'm going to take it off. I would also like to put different shoes on. Have a look at me. I've taken the coat off. Have a look at the skirt suit once again. You can see that the jacket fits me perfectly. It's decorated with the golden buttons. This is a midi skirt. The sleeves are of my favorite length, 3/4 sleeves. The skirt is longer than the ones I usually wear. I love this skirt suit. It's used for different occasions. Next, I'd like to change the shoes. Have a look at me. I've changed the shoes, and my image has changed as well. The shoes correspond to the red stripes in the fabric. They make the outfit brighter. I think you can do without red shoes, but if you have a pair in your wardrobe, you can combine them with different garments and make your images much brighter. Combine them with red accessories. Various combinations help you look different every day. I'm sure that if you have a pair of red shoes, once there will be an occasion to put them on. We need to be bright. You know that I want us to be different and beautiful every day. I've already talked to you about being different. Changing a pair of shoes can change your image completely. This is a very useful trick. I was glad to show you these garments, the skirt suit and the coat. I hope that you like them. That's all for today. Be different and beautiful. My name is Irina Paukshte. Buy my courses, subscribe to my channel, write comments, share the videos, press the like and the bell buttons. I would really appreciate your support. Thank you. Goodbye.